with the resurrection of Jesus Christ? This holiday has become so screwed up, we got to throw it out and start from scratch. From now on, Easter will be known as Big Ups to Jesus Day! Yes! Oh my God! It's you, Jesus!
Yes, and bless you, my son, for giving me back my holiday.